Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Taurus. Once again, you have the choice. What are you choosing in between to make sure you make the right decision that's better for you, not the one that just feeds your ego, but feeds your soul and spirit, where you find freedom, where you don't neglect, where you won't think, oh, I should have, I would have, or I could have. No, let's do it. Let's make the right decision because you're strong enough and you deserve it. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy. No matter what I go through, I choose happiness. I rise above fear because fear fears you. You look it in the eye, I guarantee it will turn and run away, and you're on your way, on your path to greatness. Stay on your journey because you come too far to stop now. And I direct my thoughts to God, who will always lead you into the right place, give you the right information. And so I want you to make the choice for your betterment, not for ego, but for your spirit, for your freedom, for your love of yourself, because you deserve it. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.